In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Logitech keyboard to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase two methods that you have to connect and use a Logitech keyboard on your PlayStation 5. The first method is going to be used if your specific keyboard model supports Bluetooth. And then later, I'm going to show you how to do a wired connection, which I believe most people will opt for, so skip ahead if you don't want to use Bluetooth. So for Bluetooth, go into the settings of the PlayStation 5 console and go into the accessories category. When you go into accessories, the very first option under general will be Bluetooth accessories. Now you are able to set up your Logitech keyboard. At the left side of the screen, I also included a list of keyboards that are compatible with the PlayStation 5. These have been confirmed to work. Some might give you a little bit more trouble than others, but regardless, as long as it is on the list, you can easily connect it to your PlayStation 5 and they will work natively. So for most Logitech Bluetooth keyboards, you will have specific buttons designed to enable pairing mode, like these ones that are colored differently. So you just press and hold any of these buttons. Usually the LED indicator on them will start blinking, which tells you that they are now in pairing mode. And if you look under the Bluetooth accessories, you will be able to find the Logitech keyboard available here. So you just choose it from the list and the keyboard will remain connected. Now, if you open a game on your PlayStation 5 that has keyboard support, it is going to work flawlessly. Now, like I said before, if you have a wired keyboard, which I believe most people will, simply plug it into any of the available ports on your console. So if needed, plug the other end of the cable into the keyboard if it is not already attached, and then the other end goes into the ports on your PlayStation 5. With the wired connection established, as long as it is on the list of officially supported keyboards, it is going to work as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Logitech keyboard to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.